Hey yo, what's up guys? Dreamagascon here. And today I'm gonna show you guys the New World Order Pyramid. Just a quick recap. It took me 20 minutes to make this map. So it's raining pretty bad today. It's very bad. It's raining super bad. Okay, here we go. This is the pyramid I made. The New World Order Pyramid. Not the best pyramid I can say, but here's the entrance. Full of bullshit. What's this? What's this? Nothing. It's just a shadow, guys. Don't be scared. Roar! Just kidding. Don't be scared. This is the pyramid. Brilliant! Okay, I guess that's it. I'm just showing guys the pyramid. In the next episode of Minecraft, I'm gonna make a battleship. If you guys want to see it, then it will take me a while to make it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys like my new intro. It's made by I don't know. I forgot the fucking shit that I installed to make my fucking intro. So well, I hope you guys like it, and I guess that's it for today's video. Hope you guys like this video. Stay cool. Goodbye. See ya.